Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a ledger in Tally ERP 9. What is a ledger? A ledger is a principal book or computer file for recording and totaling economic transaction. As you see, this is a old model of ledger and this is a new model of ledgers. This is day 2 video. If you want to know about how to install the Tally software, how to create a company, click the description link. You will find out day 1 video and you can know about how to install the Tally and how to create a company. Yes, now we are moving into the subject. So this is a sample sum. I am going to give a sample model of the journal entry. Create a company XYZ Private Limited for the year of 2021 and create a ledger entry. So ledger format is given here. There are 12 transactions here. You can able to see this. First one, John start a business with cash rupees 20,000. So we need to create the ledger, which is the ledger of this transaction. John capital is a ledger that is called for a capital account. And second one, he deposited into HDFC Bank rupees 10,000. So in this transaction, HDFC Bank is a ledger because John deposited HDFC Bank. So we need to create HDFC Bank as a ledger. And the third transaction, brought office furniture by cash rupees 3,000. So in this transaction, you will have office furniture. Office furniture is a fixed asset. In fourth transaction, purchase goods from Anthony on credit. So the John purchased goods from Anthony. So Anthony is a creditor for our company. So he comes under sundry creditor and we need to create the ledger called purchase because purchase also one of the ledger. And fifth transaction, you will have sale goods to Ajay on credit rupees 12,000. So that we need to create a ledger Ajay on credit. So Ajay is our sundry debitor. We need to create sales ledger as well. And the sixth transaction, sale goods to Anand by cash rupees 8,000. So we need to create one more ledger called Anand as a sundry debitor. We should not create a sales again. In Tally, we need to create only one ledger for each transactions. For example, if already you created sales means no need to create a sales. If you created purchase means you cannot able to create a purchase ledger again because it will show as a duplicate entry. Now I am going to move into transaction 7, paid check to Anthony. So paid check means it will be direct into bank. So we already created HDFC Bank account. So no need to create the ledger in this part. And to Anthony, we have already created Anthony on credit as a sundry creditor. So that we should not create a ledger again. Leave it. And transaction 8 as well, received check from Ajay. Check means HDFC Bank, Ajay already we have the ledger. So paid salary to staff by bank. So John paid the salary to the staff. So he had expenses for the salary. So that salary comes under the ledger indirect expenses. The 10th transaction, paid rent by cash. So that rent is indirect expenses for John company, XYZ company. So we need to create a rent ledger. And 11th transaction, paid electricity bill by bank. So electricity bill as a ledger and bank we already have HDFC Bank. The 12th transaction, paid advertisement by check. So advertisement is a expenses for XYZ company. So by check we already have HDFC Bank. So this is a clear transaction about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 transaction is here we need to create 12 ledgers so that we can able to put as a voucher format. Let's see how to create a ledger in Tally. Open a Tally software in your computer. If you don't know how to install the software, just click the day one link and you can able to know we can easily download the free version of Tally software. I already told about use as a education mode. Just select. Now I want to create a new company. Just click F3 company information and select create company. So create a company XYZ. Give the necessary information, click accept. So I have created XYZ Private Limited. Now I am going into the subject, how to create a ledger. Just click the button. So gateway of Tally. This is the gateway of Tally. You can able to create the ledger. Now the master's accounts information. Just click accounts information and groups and ledger. So groups means we have already totally 28 groups is available as you see. So these are the groups. In these groups we are going to create the ledger. So groups will be default in Tally. We need to create the ledger for the groups. So how to create the ledger? Select ledgers and click enter. So as I already told, single ledger creation and multiple ledger creation. Single ledger creation means we need to create the ledgers single entry. If you want to create multiple ledgers, because we have a 12 entries, we need to create a multiple ledgers. Just select multiple ledger, click create. There are 28 groups is available. You need to select all items. Yes, the first transaction, John started a business with the cash. Convey this message in Tally ledger creation. Cash and profit and loss account defaultly Tally will create. So no need to create for a cash ledger. You need to create John Capital. Just type John Capital. Under we need to type capital account. Yes. So opening balance, don't give the opening balance, just click enter. The next one, he deposited into HDFC Bank. Just type HDFC Bank. Under bank account, click enter and brought office furniture. So furniture is the ledger. Furniture should be comes under fixed asset because this is asset for us. And purchase goods from Anthony on credit. So type purchase as a purchase account. So Anthony on credit. Just type, give the under sundry creditor. Yes. And fifth transaction, sale goes to Ajay on credit. So sales is account, sales account as a group, and Ajay sundry debitors. We are selling goods to somebody else, that is comes under sundry debitors. Sales goods to Honor. So we have already sales option is available. No need to type same account. Just type on and. So he is a sundry debitor. And paid check to Anthony is our seventh transaction. Paid check to Anthony. We have already Anthony credit account is available as well bank account is available. No need to create the ledger. And received check from Ajay. So check is bank is available. Ajay name is available. No need to type. Yes. Paid salary to staff by bank. So we need to type a salary. Salary as a indirect expenses for the company. Just give under indirect expenses. And paid rent by cash. Just type rent indirect expenses. Paid electricity bill EB as indirect expenses. And the last one, he paid around advertisement by check. So advertisement is indirect expenses. Have more ledger, just click enter, automatically it will direct to you accept yes or no. Accept yes. So this is the ledger format. We have created the ledger. If you want to see the ledger, just go to display and click all items. Your ledger will be displayed here. In this ledger we have seen cash and P&L account is a default account for is a default ledger for the tally. So if you want to alter the name, just click alter and choose whatever name you want to change as Ajay or whatever bank name or whatever things you want to change. You can type account and accept yes. You can save. So this is the ledger entry. If you want to delete the ledger, just go to single ledger and alter. Choose which ledger you don't want. For example, EB I don't want as a ledger. Just enter and press Alt D for delete option. You can delete the ledger entries. So this is an easy way you can create and delete and modify your ledgers. In day 3, I am going to show about how to create a tally voucher creation about the transaction. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.